Hi friends, this video shows how to clear both data and cache of an app. Go to settings, select settings icon from top right corner. Go down, select apps, select see all apps. Here you can see all installed apps. Go down, let me select one app, let me select this YouTube app. Go down, here you can see clear cache and clear data. Size of the cache is 4.53 MB. Size of the data is 5.23 MB. First I am going to clear cache. Select clear cache. Select OK. Done. Let me again clear cache. Select OK. OK, done. Then let me clear data. Select clear data. Select OK. Done. See, now you can see size of the data has been reduced to 0. See, size of the cache now shows 0. So this way we can clear both cache and data. So you can try this. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.